On June 6, 2012, a Massachusetts teen was sentenced to 2.5 years in prison after causing a fatal car accident that killed one driver and left the other seriously injured. Police discovered that the 17-year-old driver had sent over 100 text messages that day, some of which were sent only seconds before the deadly impact. Hi, I'm Tim Miley, and as you probably know, I represent you in the West Virginia House of Delegates. Those of us who serve in the West Virginia legislature have taken a stand against texting and driving. In fact, we passed a law that takes effect on July 1st, 2012 that makes it a crime for those individuals who text while driving an automobile. If a law enforcement officer sees you texting while driving, that officer can pull you over and charge you with a first offense moving violation, which carries a fine of $100. For the second offense, the fine is $200, and for the third offense of texting while driving, you will be fined $300 and you will have 3 points against your driver's license. While these penalties may not appear to be severe enough to discourage people from texting while driving, I should point out that you can be charged with a more serious offense should the circumstances warrant such charge. For example, if you are operating your vehicle or you are using your phone to send or receive text messages and your driving is considered reckless, you could possibly be charged with reckless driving, which has greater consequences than the penalties I have just described. In addition, if your act of texting and driving causes a car accident and another person is killed because of your conduct, you may be subject to being charged with involuntary manslaughter for your actions. Quite frankly, it's one thing to engage in behavior that exposes only you to harm, but it's quite another for you to engage in behavior that exposes our mothers and daughters, fathers and sons, as well as our spouses to serious danger. To put it simply, do not text while you are driving. Come July 1st, 2012, put your cell phone in the center console of your car, and if you hear a text coming in, please pull off the road so that you may respond to those texts. No text is worth the risk of hurting yourself or somebody else. Remember, don't text while driving. I want you to be safe while you're operating your vehicle, and I want everyone on the highways to be safe from you. If you would like any additional information about the new anti-texting and driving law, please go to wvtextinglaw.com, or if you have any additional questions, you may call at 304-326-1800. Take care and be safe out there on the highways.